Hi, let's continue with our work. So we are at Carli 4. We've made a few articles already, and after I've made the change to add the cleanup script to Git, I thought, oh, there's a better way to do that and to maintain it. So I'm gonna make a number 4, which is actually just about maintenance. All right, so the thing is, remember that we've put inside the Git, we don't want to push, of course, definitely don't want to push. So this is new, push the work and out on the GitHub, it's 2 gigabytes. So that's definitely it's not possible, but there is a solution in Git itself. So there's an application called Git, and we can actually create a new file and call it gitignore. So we have this file, and the gitignore is a file that will tell to Git, I do not want to have the folder work, and I do not want to have the folder out. Save. That's it. This tells to GitHub to ignore this folder and that folder. So basically this is the safest way. Whatever I push, it is not going to push this one, neither is going to be pushing that one. So it all depends now. Since this is in place, we can get rid of this one again. So I do prefer to keep it out of here, like so, so that the definition is in here to not put it online. But then again, I thought, we do need this one if we want to build again, because if I want to build again, I'll probably run into issues. So let's see if that's true. Nothing happens, right? Why is nothing happening? I can't build because of the rules inside build sh. What I need to do is run this one first. So if I open up build sh, since the out and the work are present there, the only thing I should say is if I start to build, I want to have a cleanup. So I think it's called cleanup. Let's have a look. I want to clean up everything. All right, like so. I could add sh in front of it. I don't think it's necessary, and things that are not necessary I generally don't type. And there you go. So that's going to be built. And in the meantime, let's have a look. Yep. So work is of course working. It's using work, but out is gone. So basically that's good. So we have a sort of maintenance video here, how to do things. I think this is a better approach. Having gitignore tell forget about work and out if you want to push it to the internet. And build is now including the cleanup script, which of course we can include as well our code in there. That's the same thing. We can actually say just get these guys in here, but I definitely want to keep, maybe best keep the cleanup, so you know there is always this script to clean up. So my idea was to copy paste this inside here, okay, but let's keep it. All right, so that's it. Maybe I'll just keep the video, the building, keep it running, and you'll see that I've changed already the name, and the ISO will be called now Carli, right? So the ISO name is going to be Carli. Then it's in the end, you'll see Control Find. You see where it's applied. In the end, it will get an ISO version, and it will get an x8664, and the ISO version is another variable, and the variable is up here somewhere. It's the date. Okay, let's wait for it to pop out. Okay, the script is finished. We have now an ISO that's called Carli 2020-104. 04 is just coming from the date, and it's in here. And best way is to end with this Carli. So it used to be called ArcoLinux. It's not available anymore. It's now called Carli. Much nicer. We boot up. Of course, we don't see any difference in the sense that this is a logo that we're using, and ArcoLinux is here, ArcoLinux there, ArcoLinux here. If you scroll down, no more references, but these two guys, actually this one and that one is going to work. And if we boot up, you'll see that there is a small reference, very fast reference to Carli somewhere. Here it is, label Carli, and up it's gone again. So there you are. This is what we've done so far. I'm not waiting to boot everything up, but the most important thing was gitignore. So that's included, and we're gonna push this to the internet. This might not be included when you download it. I'll have a look. So remember, if it's not there, just simple thing, just say work not in there, out not in there, out, work, and that's it. Gitignore. All right, saving here.